Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Today I am going to teach you all a new topic, that is measurement. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started with today's topic. Friends, you all know a bit of measurement. If I say that from this point of my whiteboard to this point of my whiteboard, how much is the distance? Or this is a marker. And what is the weight of this marker? And this is a water bottle. This is a water bottle, and I say you to find that how much water is inside this water bottle. Friends, to answer all of these three questions, you need to know measurement. That's what we are going to study in today's video. Let's begin. Friends, first you need to understand that measurement is divided into three parts. Alright? The first part is length, the second part is weight, and the third part is the capacity. And today we shall study part 1, that is the length. Friends, if we have to measure any object, we need to know the units of length. Friends, in the olden times, when there was no units, we used hand span, cubit and foot span to measure things. What is hand span? See, hand span is our hand from the tip of our thumb to the tip of our small finger. Okay? And what is cubit? Cubit is like this. It is from the elbow to the tip of the middle finger. But friends, these three units were not accurate and they were also known as non-standard units. Maybe anybody's hand span would be bigger or anybody's hand span would be shorter. That is why these were not accurate. And when the time came, we developed standard units that are 100% accurate. Let's see the standard units which are used in length. So friends, first we are going to see the smallest unit of length. So the smallest unit of length is millimeter. Okay, so the smallest unit of length is millimeter. In short, we write it as mm. And the next unit is cm, that is centimeter. So the next unit which is after millimeter is centimeter, and in short we write it as cm. Let's see the next unit. So friends, the next unit is meter, and in short we write it as m. And let's see the next unit. So friends, the next unit is kilometers. In short, we write it as K and M. Friends, now comes that how many units make another unit. Like how many millimeters make a centimeter. So let's see. Friends, 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. Okay? If you will count 10 millimeters, you will get 1 centimeters. And now, how many centimeters make a meter? So it is 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Alright? Now, how many meters make a kilometer? So, 1000 meters make a kilometer. Okay, makes 1 kilometer. So this is 1000. So see, if you will count 10 millimeters, you will get 1 centimeter. And if you will count 100 centimeters, you will get 1 meter. And if you count 1000 meters, you will get 1 kilometer. Friends, there are many operations in measurement like add, subtract, multiply or divide. Let's see. So, first is to add the following. Okay, that means we have to add the measurements. So, it is 247 meters, 45 centimeters and 412 meters and 61 centimeters. Okay, so it is saying to add 247 meters, 45 centimeters and 412 meters, 61 centimeters. Friends, after this we have to make 2 columns like this. Okay, and now we have to separate the units and their numbers. So let's separate them. First, we are going to start with the smallest unit from the right side. Okay, so the smallest unit is centimeters, alright? And underneath that we write our numbers. So let's write them. Okay, so let's write. So first is 45. Friends, you all know in addition we don't have to write in an order like that, bigger number first and the smaller number down. We can write it anyways. Yeah, so 45 and 61. And here also we write them. So after 45 it is 247. But what it is? Meters. So we are going to write meters here. Alright? Meters. So 247 meters is there and 412 is also there. So let's write it. Okay. And now just add. This is very simple. So let's add these numbers. 5 plus 1, that is 6. So 6 here and 4 plus 6 is 10. But friends, we cannot write the whole 10 in here because you know 100 centimeters make 1 meter. That means here we can only write till 100, and if you write this whole 10, then it will be 106. That is bigger than 100. That means here we need to do the carry. So let's carry. As I told you, the normal carry we have to do here. So 0, and we are going to carry this 1 here on the next column. If there is number in your this column only, in the first column only, then you have to carry it there, but here it was no number. That means we need to go to the next column and carry it there. Now again let's add. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. Again we have to carry. First, as I told you, let's write the 0 and carry the leftover 1 to the next number. Okay, here you see there is number in our column. That means we don't need to check the other columns, and there is no column after this column. So let's borrow this there. Okay, so now let's add. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 1, because 1 is carried, so 5 plus 1 is 6. That means this will be 6. Alright, now let's add this. So 2 plus 4 is also 6. So here it is 6. What will be the answer now, friends? See. So the answer will be 660 meters, because 660 we have got as our sum. That means we are going to write 660. Okay, 660, and it is in meters column. So the unit will be meters. Don't forget to put the units units are very important in measurement. And the next is 0 and 6. You will not write it as 0 and 6. You have to write 6 because if you add 0 to the left of your number, okay, to the left side of your number, then the value remains same of that number. So there is no need to write 0. So let's see. So this will be 6. And what will it be? Yes, it will be 6 centimeters because 6 is in centimeters column. So the answer is 660 meters and 6 centimeters. Friends, now let's see the next question. So the next question is related to subtraction because you can see subtract the following. Let's see the question. 72 kilometers 912 meters from 94 kilometers and 600 meters. So it is saying us to subtract 72 kilometers 912 meters from 94 kilometers and 600 meters. Friends, as I told you, first we have to separate the units and their numbers. So let's separate. So as I told you, we need to start from the smallest unit. Here it is meters. So that means we will write meters in the left side column, okay? So let's write meters here. And the next unit is kilometers. So this will be km, that is kilometers. Now friends, let's write down their numbers also. So friends, as I told you in subtraction, the rule is that the bigger number should be up and the smaller number should be below it. Then only we can subtract. So bigger number here is 94 kilometers and 600 meters. Okay, so let's write this. So first in this 600 meters and here 94, okay. Now let's write the next number. So it is 912 meters and 72 kilometers, okay. So friends, here you see that we have written and separated the units and their numbers. Now we have to subtract them. So let's subtract. Here it is 600 and 912. We cannot subtract it. Then of course we are going to borrow as we do in the normal subtraction. So let's borrow this. So this will become 3, 4 will become 3, alright. And see, this is 6. So when you cut it, it will become 16. But we have to give 1 from 16 to these two zeros also. Then this 6 will not remain 16 only. 16 minus 1 is 15. That means this 6 will be 15, okay. And now this 0 is here. So what will this 0 become? Yes, it will become 10. But as I told you, there is one more digit to the right of our 0. So that means this 0 is 10. But 10 minus 1 is 9. Because we have to give 1. So now this 0 will be 9 then. And this 0 will be what? Yes, it will be 10 only. Because after this 0 there is no other digit. That means this will be 10. Now let's subtract this. So 10 minus 2 is 8. That means 8 here. Okay. And 9 minus 1, that is also 8. So 8 here. And 15 minus 9, that is 6. Okay. So that means 15 minus 9 is 6. That means this is 688 meters. Now come to the kilometers column. So here it is 94. It was 94. But we gave 1 from 94 to 600. So this 94 will be now 93 because 94 minus 1 is 93. So that means this will be 93. And this one is 72. So let's subtract now. So 3 minus 2 is 1 and 9 minus 7 is 2, okay. So this is 21. We have got the answer. What is the answer? Yes, it is 21 kilometers. 21 kilometers and 688 meters, okay. So the answer is 21 kilometers and 688 meters when we subtracted 72 kilometers 912 meters from 94 kilometers and 600 meters. So friends, this is much for today. Hope you like it, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also give your suggestions for the next video in the comment box. Till then, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.